the world like it was before my life became a movie. And they usually use my motherfucking trailer to tease me with. But I flip that script like a refiller. Painkillers to pop the lid off that safety. Till it made me feel amazing, maybe still a bravery. And if I may reiterate, I ain't even need a script. Ain't being conceited, but I made it to radio, eat a dick. I still never ABC the shit. Mainstream appeal, the skill is what made me listen before they called Drake Dilla. I was daydreaming one day I would be the shit. And if I ever end up escaping these streets, I swear that I would stay here still. And if I'm crazy, I'll always be real. Don't make me still an 18-wheeler. Break all of my friends out of here and take them straight to the Mercedes still. Peel all back to the same block that we came from. On a rampage, you crazy for me to flip. What's making you think I need a switch? Some Adrian Peterson, when he's raging and heated in, on the way to go beat his kid. Well, the track gets spanked like he just did. I can't never leave this bitch. Sick of being treated like me and shit with Jesus. I can see just why people quit calling me to do features and them cycles on BET. Cause if I wasn't me, I probably wouldn't wanna play with me neither. Shit seems to be reaching its fever pitch, 180 degrees in here. Show the grateful, the cedar chips. MCs to spit up more than they can chew like a baseball, the Swedish fish. Or the Rainer with two penises. Hateful ingeniousness, inconvenience. And for the record, you won't want this type of static in your life when I'm making you clean. You would make consider trying to re-insulate you when it's maybe in for another crazy winter. Cause so cold in the day it is, as days begin to take away. But ain't this really what made me into the angry bit of blonde? But ain't we sick of being underdogs? Don't make me unleash this shit, release this pick, may even seem as if I'm yanking your chain a bit, or maybe the way in which I'm saying shit is playing with you. But ain't shit changing, it's still the same shit. And Shady's still a lady killer since the day I went insane and then attacked the babysitter with a potato pillar and mushed her face into the entertainment center. It's like another plane just sending it to Ukraine. Again, a double muted triangle and attempted to make a safe instead of waiting. Anyone who ain't affiliated, it could be danger. Did you make arrangements for the gangsters who you came here? And if they mention us,
tell them if they want it, they can come and get that. I swear I love my city, I just wanna let that. See me, they see me, they ain't ready for that. Detroit verse, everybody.
What up, though? Scout off the trick. Either ride with us or get rolled on. That means Detroit versus everybody. Hey, yo, let me get that instrumental, take it down to the hood, let the little homies get this remix cracking.